I introduced Juice Plus shakes in January 2015, so just the beginning of this year, and I've been taking the premium capsules since February of this year, which introduced berries because shakes are fruit and veg and the vineyard capsules are berries. 27 blends of fruit and vegetables and berries into my body every day. It has never been known. There is no way you could eat 27 portions of fruit and veg or you would be really bloated, so it's a quick and easy way to get it into your body. On my latest visit to my psychiatrist, I have now been moved out of crisis care, which is a huge placement of trust in me and my new lifestyle. They literally cannot believe the change in my mood or my outlook or my complexion, just my whole zest for life, and how motivated I am to actually be here and to make being here actually count. They did ask, have you got a secret? And of course, you all know now what my secret is. I've lost 4 stone healthily since January. I am full of vitality, which is not a phrase that I would ever have described myself as had it not been finding Juice Plus, and it is the only way to describe how I feel. My physical pain has disappeared and I no longer need to take the medication which makes me into a zombie. I no longer have daily migraines, which for me, getting up in the morning without having a migraine or without it coming on throughout the day and totally debilitating what I'm trying to do, it is a huge achievement for me. They do say that my dosage for my mental health medication can be reduced, but I say, watch this space, because I do love a challenge. For me, the weight loss is just an added benefit, although it does feel fantastic. I have found my exercise mojo again and I have a huge increase in mobility because the back pain has decreased. Before Juice Plus, I would probably not have been actively involved because I had no motivation and no positivity. I would have remained trapped in my own body, in my own house, and definitely in my own little bubble. Some people watching this or who see me post on a daily basis might say that time was a healer. That old saying, time's a healer. But I say, live my last year, walk even a month in my shoes and see if you're of the same opinion. Why am I telling you all this when it's such a personal thing? If, like me, you had a lifetime of medication being thrown at you and hours of endless talking to someone who has read it out of a textbook, who goes home at the end of the day and doesn't have to live with what someone with mental health issues actually goes through, and you found a chance, a product that could improve your life, and it had improved your life, first-hand experience of it improving your life, wouldn't you share it too? In February, I had so much belief in the product that I knew I wanted to share my experience and results with the world. I became a mentor. I realised that not only could Juice Plus improve my health and that of my family's health, but it could provide me with the financial freedom that we once had before the world around us changed in the blink of an eye. Unbeknown to me at that stage, that in doing so I would once again have that feeling I thought I never had, by empowering people to help themselves. I've always believed true happiness comes from making others happy, and I get motivated and inspired by people, and I get to motivate and inspire people for a living, help people to reach their goals, to be the best version of themselves that they can be, to rejuvenate themselves, to see the world around them in a whole new light, and the opportunity to dream big and achieve big. I get paid for doing that. I get paid for doing that. How amazing is that? Today I have a residual income, and whilst soon it probably will be more than I ever earned as with a corporate career, I don't even have to work actually to get that residual income. Although I never stop, I get paid regardless. I get paid to teach others how to duplicate what I do, and in turn they get paid for teaching other people the same. It really is that simple. My business has just begun and it's thriving and growing every day. I no longer need to check my bank balance, by the way, or rob Peter to pay Paul. I'm connecting with people again. I feel human connecting with people again. I have made some amazing new friends, which I am now call family. I am helping others in their own journey to fit fab and healthy, so I'm not useless or helpless at all. My confidence has absolutely soared and I have been lifted by lifting others. And just like the advert, oh my God, am I worth it? And so much more than I've ever been as a person, and so much more emotionally, financially, spiritually, and as a mother. Oh, soon to be grandmother. At 34 years of age, I am going to be a glamorous granny. And just to get a wee plug in there, Courtney, my daughter, who's pregnant, takes the Vineyard capsules every day and she looks amazing. So I know that my granddaughter is actually getting the best nutrients right from the womb. So it's the best start to life as she possibly can. For me, the biggest thing is my children no longer have to see their mum living as the shell of the woman that she once was. They have their fun, bubbly, vivacious and strong mummy back. I'm happier than I've ever been in my life. Not everybody can say that just because they found a product in a company that makes you feel so good about yourself. My life has changed beyond recognition, and as a spiritual person I wholeheartedly believe that everything happens for a reason. So what was one of the worst years of my life has definitely turned out and led to what is going to be, or what already has been, one of the best, although the best has yet to come. I'm in a whole new life path and a whole new journey, and the experiences and the people and everything is just fantastic. Somewhere in an industry which I never thought I would find myself in, me in the health industry. You're joking, right? It's not a coincidence, guys. It's 100% my story, and for anybody who already knows me, they'll know that my traits of integrity and honesty are probably my most loved and loathed when I'm honest to a fault. I hope that at least one person being helped by this in their struggle out of the darkness, be it in health, wealth, happiness, or to know that even if you are just hanging on the edge by your fingernail, that you can pull it back. If it helps one person, then bearing my soul and sharing my story has been worth it. I have always been ambitious, and for as long as I can remember, I have always dreamed big. It has been a continuous running anecdote actually that I will one day take over the world. So whilst I do realise that that is probably a bit too optimistic and a bit too big of a dream, I will settle for now on inspiring healthy living across the world and empowering people to better their lives with the opportunity that Just Plus offers. How many of you have experienced that inner feeling that you're meant for something else, something greater? It's hard to explain, right? I used to think that it was just a feeling of discontentment, that maybe my mental health meant that I was just never content enough. But it's not that. It's something far greater. It's almost like I'm being pulled towards something. Do you believe in karma and fate or the law of attraction? I do. And my pinnacle point during my mental health breakdown and for me to get better was seeing a simple quote, a very simple quote which said, breathe, the universe is taking care of the rest. It's just very simple, but it's something that I really connected with. Since then, I'm reminded on a daily basis that for me, I'm on my right path, the path that I'm meant to be on. Really, I'm just your average ambitious mum who wants the best for their kids. If you have kids, don't you? The difference between me and a lot of people is that I wake up every single day and see it as a new opportunity now. It's a new opportunity to make my life and my children's life better. It's a new opportunity to inspire other people to make their lives better And every day I take action to get us closer to vitality, financial independence and happiness like we've never known. Mediocre and average is something which I have never been, and it will never do for me. In every walk of life and everything I do, I need to be the best. I need to get to the pinnacle highest point that I can and be the best at it. That I can be, not better than anybody else, but that I can be. I have a constant drive to succeed and to never give up no matter what. The battle I had last year proves to me just how strong I am. This is something I can do to anyone who would join my team. I am strong because I've been weak, and I'm a woman who has shed her tears and has picked up her sword and fought again. My last battle was definitely my greatest, but the victory is definitely by far divine. Just like the movie, the good guy always wins. In this new life that I have found, I came to win. Every great warrior needs an army. Mine just happens to be a glam one. If you're fed up of fighting the norms of everyday life, then I want to change your norm. I have a spare sword, vast amounts of armoury and a bag full of magic. And an empty saddle. Are you ready to jump on the success horse and gallop towards your own life victory? Are you ready to claim your throne? I'm resourceful, a natural leader. I always defend my tribe, and I'm motivated to inspire people. I fight for the little guy. Not many people do that. I'm organised. Some people may say too organised, and indeed Heather, who introduced me to Juice Plus, calls me Spreadsheet Maggie. I'm knowledgeable, I'm caring, understanding, and I will never, ever, ever walk away until I conquer my hypothetical enemy, or yours. Join Glambition, join me and the other girls, and help our next crusade in inspiring healthy living around the world. There will never be the right time to do a great thing. If you're waiting for that perfect time, that perfect moment, it's not going to happen. You have to create that perfect time, that perfect opportunity, that perfect situation. When you're not pursuing your own goal, you are literally committing spiritual suicide. You're never going to get to the best you that you can be. Unless you attempt to do something beyond what you have already mastered, you will never grow. Ask yourself this. Is this the life that you imagined, or are you willing to take the opportunity to change? Do something great, join Glambition, and help us to our next crusade. Join us in tackling healthy living and the lack of wealth head on. I want to make your dreams a reality. The question is, what are you going to do with your time, with your life? Whatever you choose, be glambitious. Oh, and just one last thing to remind you, in case you have a bit of memory loss like I had last year, my name is Maggie. Connect with me on Facebook, Twitter and anywhere else soon. Thanks guys.